consists of blood vessels, and the heart. To understand the functions of circulatory system, it first starts with the lungs. The lungs will mix oxygen with blood, and then it transfers to the heart with the help of the pulmonary wings. And then it goes to the left atrium, then down to the left ventricle. In the left ventricle, pressure is created, and then it pumps to all the cells of the body. Then, from the organs, waste materials is released, such as carbon dioxide. Then, from the organs, the deoxygenated blood first goes to the right atrium, and then it pumps to the right ventricle. In the right ventricle, pressure is created, and then it pumps back to the lungs for oxygenation. And in the process, we exhale carbon dioxide and waste material.
So this is actually a working model. So please allow us to show how it works.
This is how it works.
So we could briefly explain the functions of her in this model. And so maybe the labeled model in a larger view. And so first of all, we receive the oxygenated blood from the left atrium. So the right atrium, contracts, and then the transmitted is pumped to the right atrium with the help of the tricuspid valve. And the pulmonary valve, it transfers the blood to the lungs, and then the oxygenated blood is received by the left atrium. So the left atrium and then it contracts again and the left ventricle with the help of the bicuspid valve, which is also known as ventricle if I'm not wrong. And then it repeats the same cycle.
What happens actually? Do you know? Because since you are giving the anatomy and everything about human heart, so you should know that also. Yes, what happens? How?
It's faster. It is faster.
Why is it happening?
It happens like because of the habits.
A normal person can get it.
No, in order.
Why?
Because in order.
Is there any sign or something going on inside which is actually causing the blood?
Actually, cardiac arrest or something, you have to be
No, that is fine. Since you are showing the internal organs, is there any defect or any inside internal organ because of that?